Hi, Maurice here. I'm going to present association rules from selected attributes in experiment set 4. In this experiment, genre subset is selected. There are 20 genre categories, which consist of action, adventure, animation, comedy, and etc. There are some criteria set in the APRIORI algorithm, which actually is similar with experiment set 3. The lift is more than or equal to 2. The minimum support is more than or equal to 0.07, and the confidence is more than or equal to 0.7. There are some interesting insights. Based on the criteria, I noticed there are 10 subsets can generate association rules, but there are another 10 subsets cannot generate association rules. The 10 genre subsets that can generate association rules are action, science fiction, adventure, crime, drama, thriller, animation, fantasy, horror, and family subsets. It is expected to see horror movies as one of the least rules generated, maybe because it scares people away, but it is unexpected to see drama subset, which has the highest number of movies but only perform averagely. On the other hand, the 10 genre subsets that cannot generate association rules are comedy, documentary, foreign, history, music, mystery, romance, TV movie, war, and western subsets. It is expected to see foreign movie is in the list because it has the least available movies. But it is unexpected to see comedy subset is in the list. Not only it makes people laugh, but it also is one of the subset that has the highest number of movies. Have you guys watched thriller movie? The highest lift in the thriller subset is contributed by the antecedent of Aliens in 1986. Audience who watch Aliens in 1986 is very likely to watch the Alien in 1979, which is the earlier version of movie. In another aspect, which is fantasy subset, the highest lift is contributed by two antecedents, which are The Lord of the Rings in 2001 and Pirates of the Caribbean in 2003. Audience who watch these two movies is very likely to watch The Lord of the Rings in 2002 with a lift of 4.0. It's very interesting to highlight the only rule in family subsets, which is the Toy series movie. Audience who watched Toy Story 2 in 1999 is very likely to watch Toy Story in 1995, which is an earlier version of movie as well. I noticed that if one antecedent movie towards one consequent of movie, audience will tend to watch a later version of movie, then only will watch an earlier version of movie. Take drama subset for example. If audience has watched The Godfather Part 2, they are very likely to watch an earlier version of the Godfather series, which is the Part 1. For fantasy subset, audience who watched The Lord of the Rings in 2002 is likely to watch again the earlier version. For crime subset, audience who watch Kill Bill Volume 2 is likely to watch the earlier version of it. For thriller subset as well, audience who watch Aliens in 1986 is likely to watch the earlier version as well. To make a comparison between experiment set 3 and set 4, I take thriller subset for example, an antecedent of movie ID 47, which is movie 7. The first rule, it can generate towards a consequent of movie ID 296, which is Pulp Fiction, and also movie ID 593, which is Silence of the Lambs. But if we implement in experiment set 3, it can generate additional rule, which is movie ID 318, which is the Shawshank Redemption. The movie is not belongs to thriller subset, but it belongs from drama and crime genre. Thank you very much.